Good morning, dear student. We are doing the comprehension check of the textbook, and in this video, answer the following question in about 60 words each. Question number first: why did think tank's plan fail to invade the Earth? Answer: think tank's plan failed to invade the Earth because the book Mother Goose of Earth frightened him. The third rhyme of this book had Humpty Dumpty. They were like think tank. Therefore, he thought that the Earthlings had seen him. They had planned to capture Mars, central control, and think tank. He ordered his invasion fleet to return to Mars. He left Mars for Alpha Centauri. Question number 2 is: why is think tank's space crew puzzled on Earth? Think tank's space crew is puzzled on the Earth because they never saw such things on any of the galaxies they visited. They had fear of the Earthlings' attack on them. Next question is: how does Noodle suggest to think tank about the books? Noodle informed think tank in a very humble and subtle manner that he has seen survivor films of those sandwiches. He observed that Earthlings use them as some kind of communication device instead of eating them. Dear student, write these questions in your notebook and memorize it with together writing. Next question is: give the character sketch of Noodle. Dear student, answer is: Noodle is the apprentice of think tank. He knows more about the Earthlings and their activities than think tank. He is intelligent, clever, and diplomatic. He rectifies the mistakes or follies of think tank, not directly but in a very humble, subtle, and suggestive, and in a roundabout manner so as not to hurt him. He praises think tank before suggesting anything. His polite and humble, down-to-earth attitude pleases think tank. Question number 5. What do you know about think tank after reading the play? Or draw a character sketch of think tank. Dear student, answer is: think tank is an arrogant ruler of Mars. By brain he is not think tank. He doesn't have proper knowledge about Earthlings. He assumes library has replacement stand and books has sandwiches. He is a coward. He is afraid of transcription of the third rhyme of the book Mother Goose. He stops invasion fleet to Alpha Centauri for his safety. Dear student, this is the character sketch of think tank. Next question is: how are friendly relation established between people of Mars and people of Earth? Dear student, answer: friendly relation between the people of Mars and of Earth were established in 25th century. The wise and wonderful Noodle had become the ruler of Mars. Earthlings resumed contact with Martians. Earthlings taught Martians the difference between sandwiches and book. They taught Martians how to read. They established a model library in Marsopolis, the capital of Mars. They became friendly. Next question and last question is: perhaps the Earthlings have sharper ears than we do. Why does Aita say so? Dear student, Aita says so because she does not hear any sound from the book or sandwich. Actually, the book does not produce any sound. And Iota daren't say actually to the ruler of Mars. Think tank. Therefore, she conveyed this actuality to the ruler of Mars, indirectly to the despotic ruler of Mars, despotic Tanasa. Of to stated that maybe these wishes do not make sounds. He too couldn't say directly. Dear student, write and memorize. Thank you.